For centuries, the far side of the moon, often called the dark side, has been shrouded in mystery. Unlike the side that faces Earth, this hidden region has remained unseen by humans for most of history. Strange signals, unusual structures, and unexplained anomalies have fueled speculation about what might be there. Could it be home to secret alien bases, lost civilizations, or even hidden technology? Get ready, because today we're exploring the top 10 theories about the dark side of the moon. 10. The far side is not actually dark. Despite being called the dark side, this part of the moon receives just as much sunlight as the side facing Earth. The reason we never see it is because the moon is tidally locked, meaning the same side always faces us. However, this permanent hidden zone has led to many conspiracy theories about what might be lurking there. 9. Strange signals from the dark side. In 1969, Apollo 10 astronauts reported hearing strange, whistling sounds coming from the far side of the moon. These sounds, described as space music, were picked up by their communication equipment. NASA later explained that it was likely radio interference, but some believe the signals could have come from an unknown intelligence. 8. An alien base is hidden there. One of the most popular theories is that the dark side of the moon hosts an alien base. Some UFO researchers claim that satellite images show structures that could be artificially built. Whistleblowers, including former military personnel, have even suggested that astronauts encountered something on the moon, but were sworn to secrecy. 7. The moon is artificial. Some theorists believe the moon itself is an artificial structure rather than a natural satellite. The idea suggests that the moon could be a hollowed-out spacecraft placed in orbit by an unknown intelligence. Some point to strange seismic activity recorded on the moon, which makes it ring like a bell when struck, possibly indicating a hollow interior. 6. Secret military operations. There are claims that major world governments, including the United States and Russia, have secret military bases on the far side of the moon. Some believe that after the Apollo missions, military organizations continued space exploration in secret, possibly establishing outposts for unknown operations. 5. Unusual lunar structures. Over the years, satellite images have revealed strange objects on the far side of the moon, including dome-like structures, massive towers, and even what some claim to be pyramids. While mainstream scientists argue these are just natural formations, believers suggest they could be ruins from an advanced civilization. 4. The moon's connection to extraterrestrials. Ancient texts and legends from different cultures speak of a time before the moon existed. Some researchers suggest that the moon was placed in orbit intentionally, possibly by extraterrestrials. If that's true, could the dark side of the moon be where they still monitor Earth? 3. Energy anomalies on the far side. China's lunar rover, Yutu-2, discovered an unexplained gel-like substance on the far side of the moon in 2019. The nature of the material remains unknown, sparking theories that it could be evidence of unknown energy sources or even extraterrestrial activity. 2. Strange light flashes and UFO sightings. Astronomers and astronauts have reported seeing mysterious flashes of light coming from the moon for decades. Some believe these could be caused by hidden technology, alien spacecraft, or secret government projects. Could something be hiding in plain sight? 1. The moon is watching us. One of the strangest theories is that the moon is not just a passive satellite, but an observation post. Some believe that whatever placed the moon in orbit designed it as a tool to monitor human civilization. With its perfect size, distance, and tidal effects on Earth, could the moon be more than what it seems? The dark side of the moon remains one of the biggest mysteries in space. Is it just an unexplored lunar landscape, or is there something hidden from us? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring space's greatest mysteries, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more incredible discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.